Looking for a high-efficiency solution for our panel trim production? Introducing our panel trims roll forming machine, engineered for precision, durability, and stable mass production. Heavy-duty frame structure, premium components, and fully automatic control system ensure long-term reliable operation in demanding industrial environments. From metal coil or strip feeding, to forming, punching, and cutting, the entire process is fully automatic. PLC Intelligent Control System guarantees accurate dimensions and consistent product quality at high-speed production. Stable performance, low maintenance, and high output, designed to maximize your production efficiency. The finished or panel trims are widely used in roofing systems, wall cladding, and modern steel building structures. Easy installation, strong connection, and excellent finishing make it a perfect choice for construction projects worldwide. We provide customized solutions based on your profile drawings and production requirements. Contact us today for quotation and technical details. Let us help you start your efficient metal roof profile production line.